Greetings, everyone. This is Robert Kirkman, and I'm thrilled to be here discussing a topic that has become increasingly important to me over the years, the benefits of embracing a vegan lifestyle. Now, when it comes to personal advantages, one of the first things I noticed was a significant improvement in my overall health. Adopting a vegan diet has brought about increased energy levels, improved digestion, and even some weight loss. It's remarkable how a plant-based approach can positively impact our well-being. Ethically speaking, the benefits are undeniable. Adopting a vegan lifestyle aligns with a compassionate approach to animals. It's about recognizing their rights and well-being. And by choosing plant-based alternatives, we play a role in promoting a more humane and ethical treatment of animals, in addition to personal health and ethical considerations. Let's not forget the positive impact on biodiversity. The shift to a vegan lifestyle helps conserve habitats and protect various species, contributing to the preservation of our planet's rich biodiversity. Lastly, there's a global aspect to consider. Embracing a vegan lifestyle is a collective effort that can help address global issues like food insecurity. Exactly, with a more plant-centric diet, we can potentially feed more people with fewer resources, creating a more equitable and sustainable food system for everyone. In conclusion, the advantages of a vegan lifestyle extend beyond individual health to encompass environmental sustainability, ethical treatment of animals, biodiversity preservation, and addressing global food challenges. It's a holistic approach that not only benefits us personally, but contributes to creating a better world for all living beings.